Hello, and welcome back to Speak English with Class, the podcast, where learning English is always an adventure. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today, we are talking about something that has the entire world buzzing right now.
Jake, I have to be honest, I haven't slept properly because I can't stop thinking about what we're covering today.
Same, Anna, because today's topic is truly once-in-a-generation kind of stuff.
We are talking about the Odyssey, Christopher Nolan's brand new epic film that just hit theatres on July 17th, 2026, literally yesterday, and it is already making history.
Opening weekend projections of $117 million. A 96% score on Rotten Tomatoes from nearly 300 critics. Shot entirely with IMAX cameras for the very first time in cinema history. This film is not just a movie, it's an event.
And today, we are going to break down everything about the Odyssey, the story, the cast, the movie magic, and we're going to learn some incredible English vocabulary along the way.
Movie lovers, history fans, English learners, buckle up. This is going to be epic. Literally.
Okay, Jake, let's start from the very beginning, because some people might be watching this and thinking, the Odyssey? Isn't that a really old story?
It is. And that's what makes this so incredible. The Odyssey is originally a poem, an epic poem written by the ancient Greek poet Homer. And when we say ancient, we mean around the 8th century BC. That's over 2,800 years ago.
2,800 years. And people are still telling this story. That says everything about how powerful it is.
The story follows a hero named Odysseus. In Latin, he's called Ulysses, who is the king of a place called Ithaca in Greece. After fighting in the legendary Trojan War for 10 years, all he wants to do is go home to his wife Penelope and his son Telemachus.
Simple goal, right? Just go home.
Except the journey home takes him another 10 years, because the gods are against him. He faces monsters, sirens, sorceresses, storms, and every imaginable danger on the seas.
And in Nolan's version, Matt Damon plays Odysseus. Tom Holland plays his son Telemachus. Anne Hathaway plays Penelope. Zendaya plays the goddess Athena. And Charlize Theron plays the sorceress Circe.
That cast alone is enough to make your jaw drop. And then you add Christopher Nolan, the man who gave us The Dark Knight, Inception, Interstellar, and Oppenheimer, and you have something truly extraordinary.
Nolan actually shot the film over 91 days, using over 2 million feet of film. He got the cast out on real waves, in real locations, Morocco, Greece, Italy, Scotland, Iceland, to capture how terrifying and vast those ancient sea journeys really were. AOL.
He said in an interview that the experience was vast and terrifying and wonderful. And from what critics are saying, he captured every single bit of that.
The film holds a 96% audience score on Rotten Tomatoes, the best of Nolan's entire career. That means not just critics, but real audiences watching it are absolutely loving it.
All right, vocabulary. Breakdown time. 10 incredible words from mythology, cinema, and the Odyssey.
Number 1, epic. A long story or poem about heroic deeds and adventures, usually on a grand scale. As an adjective, it means something impressively great or large. The Odyssey is both a literal epic poem and an epic film experience.
Number 2, mythology. A collection of traditional stories from a culture, usually involving gods, heroes, and supernatural events. Greek mythology has inspired storytellers, artists, and filmmakers for thousands of years.
Number 3, Odyssey. Originally the name of Homer's poem, but today in English, Odyssey is also a common word meaning a long, difficult, and adventurous journey. Starting a new life in a new country can feel like a personal odyssey.
Number 4, hero's journey. A classic storytelling structure where a hero leaves home, faces challenges, and returns transformed. It's the backbone of the Odyssey and almost every great story ever told. The hero's journey is one of the most universal patterns in all of human storytelling.
Number 5. IMAX, a premium large-format film technology that creates incredibly immersive, high-resolution cinema experiences. The Odyssey is the first film ever to be shot entirely using brand-new IMAX film technology.
Number 6. Adaptation. When an existing story from one medium like a book or poem is retold in another medium, like a film. Nolan's adaptation of Homer's Odyssey took the ancient poem and reimagined it for modern audiences.
Number 7. Ensemble cast. A film or show featuring many equally important well-known performers rather than one single star. The Odyssey features a stunning ensemble cast, including Matt Damon, Tom Holland, Zendaya, Anne Hathaway, and Charlize Theron.
Number 8. Box office. The total amount of money a film earns from ticket sales in cinemas. The Odyssey demolished the box office, earning an estimated $117 million in its opening weekend alone.
Number 9. Blockbuster. A film that is a massive commercial success, typically earning hundreds of millions of dollars. The Odyssey is already shaping up to be one of the biggest blockbusters of 2026.
And number 10. Non-linear storytelling. A narrative technique where the story is not told in chronological order. Events jump forward and backward in time. Nolan is famous for this. The Odyssey uses non-linear storytelling just like Inception and Memento to create a layered, complex viewing experience.
10 words that will help you talk about this film and cinema in general with total confidence in English.
Now, 3 powerful life lessons from the Odyssey that are just as relevant today as they were 2,800 years ago.
Lesson number 1. Never stop moving toward home. In the Odyssey, home is not just a place, it's a symbol of purpose, belonging, and identity. Odysseus faces unimaginable obstacles, but he never permanently gives up. He always finds a way to keep going.
In English, we have a phrase, keep your eye on the prize. It means to stay focused on your ultimate goal, even when distractions and difficulties appear. Whatever your home is, your dream career, your family goal, your English fluency, keep your eye on that prize. Don't let setbacks make you forget where you're going.
Lesson number 2. Cleverness can be more powerful than strength. Odysseus is not the biggest or strongest hero in Greek mythology. What makes him extraordinary is his intelligence and quick thinking. The word the Greeks used was metis, cunning wisdom.
The English phrase here is, work smarter, not harder. You don't always need to overpower a problem. Sometimes the smartest, most creative solution is the most powerful one. In your English learning journey, don't just study more hours. Study more smartly. Find the methods that work for you.
Lesson number 3. The journey changes you. When Odysseus finally arrives home after 20 years, he is not the same man who left. The journey, as brutal and painful as it was, made him wiser, stronger, and more human.
The key English phrase, the destination matters, but so does the journey. Every challenge you face in life is shaping who you're becoming. Every English lesson, every difficult conversation, every moment you push through, it's building the person you'll be when you arrive at your destination.
2,800 years later and Odysseus is still teaching us. That's the power of a great story.
Here is your English challenge for this week, and it's a cinematic one.
This week, I want you to write a short movie review of the Odyssey in English OR. If you haven't seen it yet, write about your favorite film using today's vocabulary.
Use at least 5 words from our vocabulary list. For example, the Odyssey is an epic adaptation of Homer's mythological poem. The ensemble cast is incredible, and Nolan's non-linear storytelling keeps you on the edge of your seat. The IMAX experience is extraordinary. It is without question a blockbuster for the ages.
Write your version in the comments. Whether it's about the Odyssey or your favorite film, we want to read every single one.
Recap time. Let's bring it home.
We learned about the Odyssey, Christopher Nolan's epic new film, based on Homer's 2,800-year-old poem starring Matt Damon, Tom Holland, Zendaya, Anne Hathaway, Charlize Theron, and Robert Pattinson.
We discovered why it's already historic, the first film ever shot entirely on IMAX's 70mm cameras, a $250 million budget, and a $117 million opening weekend. Wikipedia.
We learned 10 powerful vocabulary words: epic, mythology, Odyssey, hero's journey, IMAX, adaptation, ensemble cast, box office, blockbuster, and non-linear storytelling.
We took away 3 life lessons from Odysseus: keep your eye on the prize, work smarter, not harder, and embrace the journey that's changing you.
And your challenge is to write a mini-movie review in English using today's vocabulary.
If this episode made you want to rush to the cinema, today good, because the Odyssey is apparently best experienced on the biggest IMAX screen you can find.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please hit like. It means the world to us and helps more English learners find our channel.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel, where we learn English through everything that matters: sports, movies, life, career, and everything in between.